them grandson. Pete and Bass. You can reach out to me and invite me over for Christmas dinner or something. More and be on a grandson, dog. More and be in a little circle with you, dog. Me a beg on you, dog. Just reach out to me just for one Christmas. Like one day. Not even Christmas Day, Boxing Day. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give another reaction. We're back again, guys. We're back again with Pete and Bass Lightwork Freestyle. Now, I done a reaction for Pete and Bass on M24 about a week or so back. And the amount of requests I'm getting to do this one, I'm saying it would be rude not to, and I'm not rude unless I'm rude too. So, we're going to do this one. And we're going to break it down. Take a pause every 10 seconds. So if you do not like what I'm doing over here, like I said, keep it moving. Keep it moving. There's no animosity here. I am breaking it down. That is what I'm doing. I am reacting. I am breaking down every bar. I'm not like every other person who do reaction will do this and, you know, big up all of the reaction. But that I got nothing against that. But that is not my style. My style is different. All right? I'm bringing something different to the market where I'm pausing every 10 seconds. I'm breaking it down to make you guys know what is going on. All right? So, without further delay, let's go. Let's press play. All right? Let's deal with it. Let's deal with it.
Don't think that you won't get touched.
God, man, you crazy.
In the last freestyle, I wasn't taking the piss out of them. I was not doing that. I just never know what to expect from them because I see these two guys doing this thing and obviously them fucking bad because them get all the views online and them very popular. So I said, why not? And hats off to them. Respect due to them, man. Them do them thing. Let's go, Pete and Bass. Let's go!
You bring your guts when I catch
One.
Man, I'm just telling them and yo.
Came for the moolah, came for the paper.
Lord. You know it's gonna be fire already, right? I'm nervous, man. I'm nervous. Why am I nervous, bro? Why am I nervous?
Came for the carnage, came for the dough.
Cock it, log it, shoot him. Blue tape when I'm Mayfair tooting. No.
Sorry. Yeah, then you got them LA make me laugh. And say clack it, knock it, and shoot him. Let's go again.
Cock it, log it, shoot him. Blue tape when I'm Mayfair tooting. No suspect when the pigs pulled up and the old gang cut when a simple looting.
Clack it, lock it, and shoot him. Blue tape. Man said no suspect when the pigs pull up, when the police pull up. No suspect. Everybody cut. Everybody got no evidence, no case, no face. Watch your man, them dog.
He didn't want to taste so slugs. Your man walked up like he's king of the hill. Now he's 10 foot under the ground and I'm 10 bob up in a William Hill.
Want to ask a question? Somebody write for them guys, yeah? Them have a ghostwriter somewhere, or a couple ghostwriter? Cause the man them different, dog. Them bad, brother.
Placing bets, no sexual assault when I grab that chest. Don't nick that stash when I'm taking jobs. I'd rather make cash when I'm breaking necks.
He's violent. And for some strange reason, I love it. He's violent. And for some strange reason, I love it. Let's go.
Now he's 10 foot under the ground and I'm 10 bob up in a William Hill.
Okay, alright. This is the part where him said something.
Placing bets, no sexual assault when I grab that chest. Don't
Placing bets, no sexual assault when I grab that chest. Alright.
nick that stash when I'm taking jobs. I'd rather make cash when I'm breaking necks. Cockney murder, simply the best. I ain't Tina Turner.
Him rather make cash than breaking necks. Simply the best. But I ain't Tina Turner. You know, say Tina Turner sang that. But I ain't Tina Turner. Simply the best.
Don't think that you won't get touched. You bring your guts when I clutch my burner.
Don't think so you're not gonna get touched, brother. One time, and pick up the burner and knock it. Don't think you're not get touched, brother. Don't think you're untouchable, dog. Sorry.
Don't think that you won't get touched. You bring your guts when I clutch my burner. Too many bands locked down in the basement. Bought 2 flats in a loft extension.
His voice is, you can tell it's him from a mile away, like. Oh. It's about to go again. I know, I just know.
Too many tutus tucked in the car door, looks like one of them Bond inventions. So many times I've dodged them cuffs, good luck to the feds for the apprehension.
Good luck to the feds for the apprehension. Yo, like, he's going so fast. Me nah get everything what I say. Me nah go tell the lie. Me nah get everything that he says.
4 pints in the grass, 2 litre, now my brain's in a new dimension. Came for the moolah, came for the paper, came for the coinage, came for the dough.
Man say, man, I tell you where I come from. I come for the moolah, I come for the paper, I come for the cabbage, I come for the dough. Give me my money. You work for it, but it's my one. Give it to me, give it to me. I mean, I'm not what talking when I'm... Look one Pete in the background. Look one Pete. Let's go.
Don't wanna come round here, get hit, get left with a big name tag on the toe. Mary, quite contrary. Ed is a garden crow.
Mary, quite contrary. How's the garden crow? The flow them different.
You already know. Goes in a big band dome. Got poked and a man got folded.
Look one Pete to the bass in the background again. Yo, two of them are different. Two of them like, yo, they're legends, man. They're not legends, man. Big them up.
Outside of the Rose and Crown, I was 10 toes down with a field patrolling. Masked up, you don't want smoke, I'll blast your lungs.
I was 10 toes up. Masked up, brother. You know what smoke, me bust your lungs. Smoke lungs, boss. You get it? You know what smoke, me bust your lungs. I told the man I tell you, brother, you don't want this eater, you don't want this smoke, your brother. So you better come out of the kitchen and go on where you go. Go in the living room, go outside, go take some fresh air. You don't want this. That's what the J tell you, say, bomba, man.
Take the air off your head with a scalp, I'll break each toe and I cut out your tongue.
Man, I torture you. Man, I go break each toe and cut out your tongue. Each toe. Each toes. Oh no.
Whoever told you that an old boy couldn't get nasty? Put bands on his head and I took that bank transfer from Barclays.
Whoever tell us that because, brother, not because me old, me not cold, not because me up in the age, don't feel so me can't get nasty, brother. Brother, me put banks for your head and... Yo, the man, yo. The man torture you and take away your money, brother, and rob your brother. Roll your ransom and take your money. Simple.
The money comes blue, the money comes white, the money comes pink. Now I'm washing out red with a petrol can in the bathroom sink.
The money come blue, the money come white, the money come pink. No, I'm washing that red with a petrol can in the bathroom sink. So basically, I wash off the blood off my hand. After I'm dealing with you. Not the bathroom. Here come
10 packs on the pavement, foot down when I see blue lights whirling, swerving. Run to the shop on the quick, to the man and he tucks that gear in his turban.
Be them grandson, Pete and Bass, and you can reach out to me and invite me over for Christmas dinner or something. More and be on a grandson, dog. More and be in a little circle with you, dog. Me a beg on dog. Just reach out to me just for one Christmas, like one day. Not even Christmas Day, Boxing Day. Just Boxing Day. Me not work Boxing Day. Me have work Boxing Day. Just link me. Put me Instagram and tell me say yo. Just send me your address and tell me say if you link yo. That's I know you link up, dog. Me a beg you, dog. Like, more on the run on for at least, like, just give me 3 hours run on the dog. Just to have a laugh and see on the everyday life. Like, dog, on a different, brother. On a different, dog. I like on the vibes, dog.
Spence daughter's wedding on Friday, doing up banger, I'm still learning. Burning. All this money I'm earning. Came in a Bentley, left in a Beamer.
Came in the Bentley, left in the Beamer. The man have choices. The man tell you about them choices. The man have them.
When I hear it, came out screaming, came out shouting. It was neighbours heard it, came out moaning, came out whining too much.
Neighbours heard you scream. Neighbours heard you ball out. Come out whining, come out scream. Yo, Pete and Bass. Wanna fi tap it, you know? Carry on, but wanna fi stop it.
I was like, shut your mouth. The wife is a tutu tucked.
Now on Instagram, Pete and Bass. Pete Anders. Me go follow on up on Instagram. A message you know and telling us if you invite me over for just for a day for chill out with you know. You see me? Yeah. Yo! Guys, so the question is, are these guys writing them own bars? Them have people write for them? Or what? What is it? Tell me what is it. Cause them super talented. Not saying not taking away anything from them. Cause them more than capable of doing it because them are deliver it, so them good. You see me? Pete and Bass reach out to me. Me need to link up you know. You see me? Me need to forward over for some what them people would have now. Some roast, some Christmas roast or something. You know, turkey and them thing there. Yeah, link me up, you know? Yeah, no pork though, because I don't eat pork, so just link me up. You see me? So yeah. Make we chill out together. Guys, if you like the reaction, just leave a like on the video. Leave a comment down below. Also, thanks for the suggestions that I've been getting. I can't do every video that I'm getting, but I will get around to as much as I can. Thanks to who share the video, post about the video. Thanks to everybody who support the thing. Thanks to everybody that's here. Big up all the new subs them as well. Alright? So guys, I will see you in the next one, man. I'm out of here.